Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to monetize TikTok account. So first thing that you will do is open up your TikTok application into your device, and from here just simply tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now just simply go ahead and go to settings and privacy. From here just simply go to account, and now just simply tap on switch to business account over here. And now just simply tap on next, and it will show you multiple features that you can get on business account. So just simply tap on next. And from here, just simply choose a category that best describe your account. So I'm going to go for education and training and tap on next. And from here, you can just simply add your email over here so customers can email you or they can contact you, or you can just simply tap on skip. And now, once you are done, you can just simply go ahead and go to your profile over here. And now, just tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen as well. And now, you should be able to see now the TikTok Studio. So tap on that. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here monetization. So from here, just simply tap on view all on the monetization tab. So from here, just simply tap on view all again on the programs for you category. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here all of the categories that you can apply for. So as you can see, I have here TikTok shop for creator. So from here, guys, as you can see, in order for you to proceed on monetizing your TikTok account, you have to meet the community guidelines, have over 600 followers, and be at least 18 years old. And when you meet these requirements, you can just simply tap on apply down below. And from there, guys, you should be able to monetize your TikTok account. And from here, you can go for subscription as well. And from here, as you can see, you will also see the requirements. And as of now, as you can see, I have here a $2 per month. So I could receive this amount every month if I join the subscription over here. And now that's simply about it. You can just simply go ahead and go to this tab, and you can also tap on get notified when I'm eligible. So when you are eligible for the program, you will get notified into your notification bar. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.